Thank you, anchor host Ms. Madhuri Nikam and Ms. Sejal Sona. Good morning to all. Yes, dignitaries on the dais. Today's chief guest, renowned cardiologist of the region, Dr. Vaibhav Patil. My faculty colleagues, Dean Academic Professor Hemant Tingre, HOD Basic Sciences Dr. Nitin Gode, HOD Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Professor Dr. Vishwakarma, HOD Computer Engineering Professor Nilesh Wani, HOD Mechanical Professor Tushar Kohli, HOD Electrical Professor Mahesh Patil, Sports Director of the college Dr. Asif Khan, all the distinguished faculties of this college, especially the faculties of first year who are being introduced to you just now, and all other faculties of my college, various deans of this college, and above all, you all newly admitted dear students and your beloved parents. You are heartily welcome in the campus of Godavari Foundation's Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. This is day first of you student for your new academic journey to be a brightest professional engineer in life. And this is your first day for academic year 23-24, that is the first year of engineering. And as the program is induction program, it will last from today up to 29th of August. It is almost for 7 days. And in these 7 days, you will be enriched 100% from each and every aspect of molding to you to be ready to accept all the basic concepts of engineering in your 4 years journey in this campus. So that at the end of 4 years, we will be very happy to see you as got placement in reputed companies of your choice. That is our dream, that we will offer you 100% job from this campus if you obey all the directions of the faculties of this college. Right? The roadmap is very clear and it is ready with us that how you will pass this journey of 4 years. So that's it for induction program. Before that, I would like to introduce this great college, that is Godavari Foundation, Godavari College of Engineering, Jalgaon. Already today's anchor host, our students of 3rd year, have introduced you the great legacy of this campus, of this college. They have told you that we have almost an alumni base of 5,000 students. Right? Means 5,000 students are being passed out from this college in last 25 years. Very happy to say from this desk today that last month itself we have entered in 25th year of establishment of this college. Means college is celebrating its silver jubilee year. This 23-24 म्हणजे कॉलेजला 25 वर्ष या वर्षी कंप्लीट होत आहेत आणि कॉलेज आपला रौप्य महोत्सवी वर्ष साजरं करत आहे. Credit goes to our great person who is chairman of this Godavari Foundation and founder of this institute, that is Honorable Dr. Ullas Patil sir. Because of his dream vision to serve the population of this region, Khandesh region, he has established this college in year 1999 with a renowned courses of that time, that is information technology, computer engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. This college was the first college in the year 1999 to starting a newly started course of that time, that is information technology. And our beloved chairman, with his great vision, has brought that course to this campus for the people of this region. Same history, legacy is being continued under his vision again, that we have started from this year a new course, that is emerging course of the new generation, that is artificial intelligence and data science, along with all other basic courses which has a continuous glory, that is computer engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering. Okay, so you are admitted to a very glorious campus of GFGCOE Gajraula. And why I am sure that you will be placed 100%? Because the roadmap is very clear to us. We have it with us. All these office bearers sitting in front of you are very much responsible to take care of you students from each and every aspect. Right? For the first year, you will be under the leadership of Dr. Nitin Bode. He is heading the Department of Basic Sciences and Humanities. Along with him is the very skillful staff. You have been just introduced. Almost all the faculties are now 20 plus years of experienced faculties. Right? Myself is spending my 24th year in this campus. Right? So you are in a safe custody. No doubt, there will be a lifetime change brought to you, to your lifestyle in coming days. Right? Officially, the college timing is from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. for a working days of Monday to Friday. But no doubt, whenever you will be called on Saturday, Sunday also for extracurricular, co-curricular activities, you will have to join, right? And to be a great professional engineer, perfect professional engineer, whatever the plans we have made for you, that you will have to adopt 100%. Okay. In college, there are various departments like training and placement department. Along with your regular department, there is a sports department, there are libraries, departmental libraries, sports ground is there, gymnasium is there, cafeteria is there. Okay, so time to time you will have to take advantage of all these resources to make you 100% proficient, right? Definitely the girls will be staying in girls hostel, so there are strict laws, rules of behaving inside the girls hostel. That rules will be binded to you, and all these things are to make you globally accepted engineer, to convert you as a globally accepted engineer, right? I am very happy to say that college is affiliated to State Technological University of this state, that is Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lone. You must be knowing it before taking admission. That's why you are here, and it is one of the developed university for that campus, and now is being recognized as a state technological university. And advantage of it is that the syllabus is being reformed every year as per the requirement, and definitely 100% change is brought in syllabus time by time, periodically. Our distinguished faculties are the panel members, board of studies members for the university panel of various departments. Okay, so State Technological University Batu has brought so many new guidelines for you to mold you as a world recognized engineer. You can adopt a minor subject, major subject in your curriculum from third year, right? Once you complete your first year and second year and enters the third year, there are choices made available to you so that you can adopt other than the courses of your branch, right? That is the student of computer engineer. If he wish, he can choose a subject which is in demand from electrical engineering. If demands from mechanical engineering, he can choose a subject like embedded VLSI, which is in great demand nowadays, from ENTC engineering, right? So this is a minor subject choice you can choose, and you can upgrade your multidisciplinary knowledge. What is multidisciplinary knowledge? Along with your main branch, you can adopt the knowledge of various other courses of engineering. And it is not bounded that the subject should be from this college branches itself. We have 5 branches for degree. You can adopt other subject from these 5 branches also if you wish so, right? So there are specified curriculum. You visit the website of university, www.dbatu.ac.in. That is the website of the university. You can read all the details of the curricular, extracurricular rules, regulations, authorities, procedures and standards of the university for your information. I will appeal to the parents also, because a student in this age, if not able, you can go through the website and you can guide your ward for accepting all these new coming things, right? Like the minor degrees, major degrees are also available to you. Major degree means what? You can have your BTech degree as a BTech honors qualification. You can write in bracket in front of your BTech degree, BTech honors. How it is possible? If you chooses the major subjects of your specified branch. What is meant by major subject of any branch? Like a computer engineering student can choose other 4 to 5 subjects of related to computer field, which will add additional knowledge to your field of computer engineering. Like nowadays AI, artificial intelligence, data science, these are the upcoming subjects, right? But these are also some are the subjects of computer engineering, but some may not be there. If that are not the part of your regular curriculum, you can choose that subject to learn from online media. Okay, and if such 4 to 5 subjects you adopt and learn up to the completion of your 4 years degree, you will be BTech honors in computer engineering. Same can be with mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, ENTC engineering, and every branch. Okay, and definitely this minor and major degree holders have a separate identification in their professional lives. Okay, whenever there will be a comparison between your co-fellow in your professional life, they will see your curriculum, what he has done extra, how he is different from his co-fellow. So that time it will matter. And no doubt, only the papers cannot be read. There is no need to read only the paper. Your knowledge, meanwhile, will be upgraded to that level that it will automatically reflect what this fellow is, what you are. Okay. So my appeal to you all students will be this, that time by time the notices will be circulated in your department that you can choose this minor subject, you can choose this major subject, or you can go for this specialized trainings. You 100%ly have to take part of that system. You have to be a part of that process. Okay? And if you do all these things, definitely there will not be any hurdle that will stop to you from molding you as a globally accepted professional engineer, right? Since my last 24 years, I have seen so many students, and almost these 5,000 alumni are gone in front of us. All we are now more than 20 years in this campus, more than 15 years in this campus. All these people are very senior and very stable in this campus. That's why I can speak this very confidently, right? And now it's our moral responsibility that we have to take you whatever you are today to the end of a great professional, right? So I can promise it confidently because the resources available in this campus are of world level. Almost there are 500 computers in this college campus. A library is enriched with more than 30,000 books. Library is enriched with more than 30,000 books. Half of your book requirement every semester will be fulfilled by library, right? Along with regular books, there are periodic journals in hard copy. In online mode, journals are available. So whenever there will be a choice you have to make for your seminar topics, mini project, major project, or any other competitions outside that you have to take part in, this will be a supporting hub of journals and periodicals which are available in your library. Along with regular library, there is a departmental library. Each department, all the 5 departments have departmental library, and also the departmental library is filled with more than 2,000 books in all departments, right? So all these things make you globally competent and acceptable once you take benefit of these things, right? So only the thing you have to do is follow the instructions. Follow the instructions of your teachers, whatever he guides to you. And no doubt, along with these surplus things, basic concepts are very, very important. Basic concepts. In first year engineering, you have to again read mathematics, chemistry, physics, communication skill, basics of electrical and electronics engineering, basics of computer engineering, engineering drawing, engineering mechanics. These are the subjects of first year engineering, right? So all these subjects are there to make you awake about the concepts of engineering, utilizations of basics of these subjects into applied knowledge of engineering. Your faculties will make you awake time by time. This subject, this topic will be useful to you in your branch subject for this and this purpose. Okay? So be attentive. Be attentive. In a schedule of 10 to 5, 6 hours a day is a schedule, right? For every student of first year engineering and almost for all the classes, second year, third year, final year. There are 6 hours